The create scale bar command lets you create and add a scale bar to your plan view, and this will be useful for when you want to print or plot, so that you have a scale bar on your map that can be used to determine the lengths of objects within the data that you're publishing or printing. To do this, go to the drafting tab and select create scale bar. From the command pane, you'll have some options to set a layer. You can choose a scale line, an alternating scale bar, or a double alternating scale bar, so you have different options here. You can do a target to the dynaview or a specific scale. So if I wanted to put a scale bar because I know I'm going to plot this, or I want it to be 1 to 50 feet, you set the scale that you want, the location that you want to place it, and you can see that it's going to show up. Now before you do this, you can come down to look at the properties. So you can adjust the height, you can adjust the divisions to the left and to the right, and what those are, what textile is being used, where the ruler is placed, basically where the values are, and how it's set up as far as scale goes. Now, one of the ways that I found to first figure this out or kind of understand what these properties are is to just go ahead and place in the scale bar the way it is. And then you can come down here, select the scale bar, and you can see in the properties, or if you open up your properties, you'll see that you have the ability to mess around with this. So if I go to scale line here, I can look at alternating scale bar, double alternating, right? So you can see the different use. If you want to change it to maybe a 100 scale, it'll adjust and update your values. You can also adjust the height. So if I made that size, the number of divisions, I can go, to the left and to the right, and so on. So I can adjust the text, and I can adjust all the other objects as well.